as an experienced mother when I be, I don't already know say she don't go. Now not say anything with concerning with the beneath. It's always like that. But later when they come talk and many people not come get that mind to go to post picture again. You understand? Something like me because I know say yes, you don't go. They say person way you not celebrate with day life. If you go to post the picture where you don't go, like say you be your head they get score. Nevertheless, may I so rest in perfect peace. This video where this lady do, he really bully the late Sharon OKPAMEN husband. He bully and well, he tell her many to be say not supposed to tell the man because why? The man just have a great lust now. He have a great lust. You know me say because according to why she did talk to this man, he said this man, you know, they post picture with Sharon OKPAMEN, with later Sharon. He said no, they follow and they post picture for Facebook. You know, they follow and they populate for Facebook. My sister, not be everybody like Facebook. Any man where they responsible, we no saying one make hair correct. You know, we lose so kind way they apple for social media. You know me say if the man no follow and they post picture when he get belen or when he there, I say no love your wife. Facebook now yesterday night Facebook come. Facebook person when they write this Facebook, sometimes like my picking age, if I quit born, you understand? So it's not a do or die for a husband of a woman to follow and they carry picture they put. You understand? But many people don't know. I don't say this era with the technology era with day. I remember 30 years ago, my late mother, which is my late grandmother, may I so rest in perfect peace. She used to tell me that it don't good make pregnant woman they carry picture. Always equally yama. My own grandmother. Always equally yama. So I know that everywhere is now modernized. Many people do it. If not, even me before I born, say I know God don't help me finish. I know they carry picture with pregnancy. I not even sure say I get any picture with pregnancy of my 5 children when I get. You understand? But in modern life, why some people they do their own, even though they take her to tell remember, after they don't born, come house before they will post picture. There's some they will take their belly, carry come out for pregnant every time. I know that if man not following wife snap picture, post picture, you know me say no love your wife. The way where this woman take talk to this man, you know to go away. As me I complain to now. But you still listen.
Message to Sharon husband, Sharon OKPAMEN husband. You are Sharon OKPAMEN husband. This woman that just raised on this message. Now you are one sender and give my brother. Why were you like that? Why you they tell the woman, make the woman not they post your picture? Even she still do baby shower. Baby shower, we not even see you say you still kiss that woman. That woman belle still take picture. Kilo day, my brother. And all the rest of these men who are telling women, keep me private, keep me private, keep me private. All the women that are keeping their husband private. Now I don't know. I don't know as soon as they do one. I don't know as soon as they do one when they try. Sharon OKPAMEN, when Sharon OKPAMEN was single, Sharon OKPAMEN was socializing. Not until she get married. Marriage just not change this girl totally. This girl will become shadow of herself.
My madam, I don't know how to the reason your life. This girl was not, it was not a shadow of her life. She did change for anything from social media. She still the potpourri. Even few days ago, I come across a TikTok. This lady the potpourri, she the potpourri, even that are pregnant, she take her dance throughout until she born. So madam beg, it get you take the reason your way. If you man not follow woman on social media, no me say no love am. Not be every man like social media. Now men we not responsible. Now they live their life.
Message to Sharon husband, Sharon OKPAMEN husband. You are Sharon OKPAMEN husband. This woman that just raised on this message. Now you are one sender and give my brother. Why were you like that? Why you they tell the woman, make the woman not they post your picture? Even she still do baby shower. Baby shower, we not even see you say you still kiss that woman. That woman, they let you take picture. Kilo day, my brother. And all the rest of these men who are telling women, keep me private, keep me private, keep me private. All the women that are keeping their husband private. Now I don't know. I don't know as soon as they do one. I don't know as soon as they do one when they try. Sharon OKPAMEN, when Sharon OKPAMEN was single, Sharon OKPAMEN was socializing. Not until she get married. Marriage just not change this girl totally. This girl will become shadow of herself. Until the day when she can't give up. Sharon OKPAMEN was having a monetized page. She don't post. You know, even enjoy social media money. Even the social media money where everybody they collect now. Now only Sharon I invented from her. Because
make her remove this one. Madam, Why you dey talk wetin your eye no reach? Why you dey miss here cotton? If I say make I stop and go start again. Why you dey talk wetin your eye no reach? You say Sharon OKPAMEN, you know in social media money. Must everybody do saga where they come know and say na social media person now? Sharon OKPAMEN have a page where she dey post all those local videos where our Edo Nollywood actor they do for Benin. Now she dey post for her page. Her page is monetized. And they watch her video bomber to bomber. Her page is monetized. And get many videos. It's even like say page said they even give her that blue this thing. He get her. This woman, the way she dey talk, not good. That man, he get him now. He get so he got to he. Not call the saga man we don't lost.
Madam, obedient to Yamu because one man be. One man the way man live the life man. And I will talk say very useless woman. That's a flop. I want you quad no. I got marry on it. I got marry master. Unuwa biluwa. Unuwa biluwa. Why would the police say like say I will book me and make them live their life? They go. They live yow life. They don't care. Come cage the woman. I will baby dedication. When I go fear of the woman post picture. You go tell you not post my video. That was my baby for social media. When I know say Sharon OKPAMEN not post the baby. 2 years birthday before I come post this baby girl for social media because of man. Because of man. I should still please the man rich now. You know to say now the man will marry another wife. He will live like that forever because the man will be young man. He will marry another woman. Then these children will come get stepmothers. I beg take care of these children, okay? Take care of these children well. Now we go bow with the canal. And they say now only Sharon now in mama born. Only she now mama get. Now she don't buy now. Oh, my condolence to the mother. Oh, Mama Sharon. Usaitinwe jenogi usaitinwe. Now we go vivi we gagbe. Usawesi okoya bi me viable. Ah, if you say na the baby don't go, make Sharon be there like if for not better pass this one. If for better pass this one, I'll so run away the go another one. Salopwa, all the pregnant women, I wish you all safe delivery. You shall deliver like the Hebrew women. Amen. It's not easy to hear this type of sad news concerning a woman where go inside the room at the end of the day. Or mommy real or it is well. I beg make not give the little baby trauma. Many baby like this with their mama Nigeria Wusi I can we read that one I can't no big why I want to watch your canoe no big why it's no big why I bully your cana why I'm a bob at your no big Salo buying no sumu Salo buying nothing easy go rejo Emila Vitali here we live in Nigeria Wabulu Bebuni in Nigeria Wabulu hospital or veterinary investigator am I looking at the way rejo Emila they can raise this doctor hospital now or Magia I'm betting I have to again and it's not just one way. It's not the mafia, Salopwa, and Nokia easy. Sharon Ovigene, Okyogie, Ovige, till we meet again and part no more. Ariane, Ugare, who can live that boy, Opianeti, you carry that away. Sharon will be socializing when you get single. And I'm your who marry, you married to not do Jawa, I can shadow it boy. Ariane, Salopwa, I tell you, Ovigene. Agnona, you are the one that holds your happiness by yourself. Men, they know what they do. I am ziga na nikang beloma wanena ina tamu wan live private life ya go piano kama we post a picture me wa ya zige background of nya beloma wan le go wa ya zige background of nya beloma wan le
ile dina no man e so do better no matter my people. Some men they some like it hot, some like it cold. Some men they don't like social media, they are not there. Even some children like my children, they don't like media. Especially my tall boy. He will say, Mom, please, I don't like it. They are not on Facebook. Even the ego, she's not on Facebook. He will say, Mommy, please. Even when I was celebrating my 51st birthday, I begged both of them to help me to cut my cake. Of which my son told me, Mommy, if I will help you to cut your cake on one condition. I said, what is the condition? He said, you will not on your Facebook. I don't want to appear on your Facebook. That is by the way. When they are young, you can force them. But right from time, since 2020, when I did here, they know they like her. Sometimes they say they dance. Now money, they take they bribe them. Sometimes when I say they do anything, now money. Because I said, I bet my corona while I go for no one join me and do only my thing. He said, no, Mommy, I'm not going to cut the cake with you on live video. Except if you want to cut it inside, I will join you. Really, he did cut with me. Even to the extent she even more discourage ego to come out with me. It was even forced. If you guys can watch vividly, you will see that my 51 birthday when I was cutting my cake, I was even trying to ego, please not go, because the brother already said no. So if a man says I don't like Facebook, yes, he have a reason. You can't force someone to eat what he don't want to eat. That is life for you. You now see this child bearing, because I want to teach some of mothers where they watch me. I really know that many mothers and a great woman, they are following me that I don't know. God will bless you all in Jesus' name. What happened 9 years ago when I gave birth to my last child in this hospital here in Landsberg? All my children, 4 kilo, the other one 4.5 kilo, the last one 5 kilo. Imagine. Pikin wey woman they push come off for inside body. Not be saying I cut them, they cut me, oh, and I need to push by myself. They come. But that time when I did actually, when I give birth to 3 way they inside, then they help me with gel for Italy before the pikin go come finally turn. It go take me 2-3 days. I go dey labor. But immediately when they say the thing don't, they go, they will come give me drip. The pikin go come out. That was the 3. But the last born when I get from here, now that one night that they call is Sanose, the Manivia do Yazeri. But we say you both coming there. But more money Sanose there, money Sanose there. That my last born is the replica of Isanose do my Yazeri. I the equal looky, Ike be equal looky. Equal ya be 37 weeks, 36 weeks, 38 weeks, 40 weeks. Me I dey deliver for 43 weeks. Mo could have calculated my mother's way follow me there. 43 weeks now till they born. Equal looky. So when I come here, they ask me question. I don't look. I know when I take in. I don't look say calendar. I don't do. I go. As I go, then examine me, do echography, which is ultrasound. Then monitorage. They monitor the baby. Then do tell us okay, make I go back home so that may I come back. A week time. A week time, I really go. A week time, I come back again. As I come, no, I know they fall for labor for us before I they come out, because I did wish when they tell me when I will take deliver. If you don't reach like this, only me they go. So as I reach there, they come put me for bed. They tell me say, now tablet they go take help me. They don't they use gel for here. Tablet, the tablet makes 20 like this is small. They say they will give me 3. That 3 tablets, if they can't give me, say, any implication, they say, I not push, make I sign paper, they go remove them by themselves. Of which I did. Because that girl, when I see her for TikTok, her tummy really big. So that kind of tummy, as far as not be twins, that pikin way this I go reach 4 kilo or 4.5. Now they hear me so. So to push go be problem. But if you go miss or carry this doctor, they not gonna make them help you. But if you be woman when it's sharp when they talk, now you go to shout for help. Please help me. Please help me. There's anything you can do to help me. Like Italy, the rest when I give back to. The thing they shock me there because you go there up, you know they come down. Per favore, mi aiuto, mi famiglia da qua, mi famiglia da qui, per favore. I say, vieni, infermeria, vieni. Non c'è qualche medicina tu da me così bambino esci e mi fa male. That I'm telling them is paining me. If there's any tablet you can just give me, let me do so that the baby will come out. So they will not say, okay, see, share, bena, aspetta. They started giving me gel. The gel, the pepper will not be saying I small to you, but after there's a side tooth for a side woman, but they say the pikido they come down. They don't look the centimeter away, they will come put drip. The drip, that's so important small. They will come fix one for me before you know the baby go turn, it go come out. Italy, before if you meet some midwife, they go help you when no go stress you. And this they don't see the score of the baby, they go tear, pikin go come out, the shoulder will come out. The shoulder will come out, the shoulder come out, they go begin stitch. But for Jerry here, for my last baby when I gave birth to, now that one I might be one follow. Now that one I might be one follow because I'm a great woman. I've paid my dues for God. I've paid my tithes for the life of people that I've been sacrificing for the past 26 years I've been in Europe. God no gree. I reach hospital. They give me one tablet. I drink them. I dey bed there. The thing not shake. After 3 hours, they come meet me again. They give me the second one again. I drink them. I did bed there. They come again 3 hours. The thing not shake, no contraction, nothing. 3 hours again, they come give me another small one, which is making the 3 one where they give me, where they make me say make I sign. Say because the thing, if they met a sage, if they met everything, it's supposed to be met, you can't fast feed the baby, you can't hitch the baby go try to because the baby was big. It was big, 5 kilos, and I saw it tall. So now, after all set and done, we say the thing don't shock me. When I come, they cry. Now that they no say, if woman they cry, say pikin don't they try to come out, where they pay you. He get medicine where they'll take give you, the pain will stop. I don't know. Now this is my last one watching me. When the thing they pay me, the thing they shock me, I cry, my papa we don't go. I cry. Now after they say, may they help me, may they give me drip. It will say they give me drip immediately after they give me that third one, like that drip go help the baby calm down. They not give me drip. I can't they cry. Now the woman said the only help when he go do for me, he go give me tablet we go release my pain. I say okay now, okay, make it give me. He can't give me that small tablet. As I just swallow, pains just calm. As the pain calm, the kid not stop. You see they push, you see they bet. I not call they feel like. They go carry me from labor room. They go put me for normal ward where we made they stay. I can't do there. As I did there, you know, so as you reach there, that first time they'll first put space for you. Where they go put drip later, where you don't put to bed, really take recover. So they don't already put that space there for me, put plaster. So and later, the thing they push me, since it's not gonna pay me, I not talk, I not call doctor, I just did there because make I born now because this thing will happen when I still born my first child for Italy. As they press me, they don't mind me. They say I better make I did then now let me I born like as the thing they press that just come down. Then they do another person way, you know, I come down, you know, shoot my bed, you told you have you where you told I saw my son here take my first son that was 17 years ago. When the baby sister see her for ground, now so they come carry me. They want to carry me, come put me bed, that it still happen. So I have experience of all those already. When I come to the room where they put me, the thing they push me, I not cry again, I come there. Now the midwife when they give me come, but make it come look me. As he reach, when he pull her, see baby head don't reach down. Now I saw this lady run. That drip when they refuse to give me sis, he go drill her for inside one syringe. Me my got me best syringe on a very big giant syringe. He go drop all the drip. He put I can't hide her for inside bag. He can't pop because doctor right not give me. But the midwife, he don't have say. But later he go bring her. He can't set her for me. Now so they not come. I don't feel come waka with that bed where they that night they don't roll me go to the theater. As they roll me enter there, I can't they push picking head come out. They not really help me like Italy whether they take trays or bread, cut one part, make the shoulder come out. Only me now I push. Only it's an only daughter. Now only me push. Hair come out. Only me push, shoulder come out. Before other body. They not see drag down. It will say like Italy, if your hair come out, they go cut. They will bring shoulder. They will bring out. I bet my own. Now see when I push, come out. As I push come out, they come carry the pikin. Like there. Come see pipe. Come super. It be like say pipe burst for street where water they pour. Now I saw my body. Placenta not come out. Before the rest when I go for Italy, as they bring pikin come out, they give the other nurse make for pupeto. Now so they say yeah, signora, spira, placenta will come out, which is avava. This one, pikin don't come, placenta not come out. E sagi ya oregbene e yana twefo. Run, they go the run at a skater. Come they run, drip go like say almost 150 drip at once from my body. May they take help me for that. Avava. Now like you, they go call one man come. The man are all those driver where they drive ambulance. The man make the huge where the man come like this. Like so he hold the placenta. He hit my hair. I go feel her for back. I sit down. Boom. Now the thing come out. As it come out, come see blood. Doge sagging. It be now full. After I did like so one day. The thing they do, boom, ground full. Later, they couldn't try to stop her. Make blood stop. Couldn't put all the injection, different drip here, Baba. Later, before the coffee stop her, but my body egg be sagging full. After that day, and the lesson now, if you happen, you don't go happen to you, Jesus, no one go to the pray for me happen to you. Make you dey smart, make you dey talk. If you know they talk, you go buy slowly. Yes, you go buy. So after that one now, they go carry me go my room, collect the baby as usual, go put for the children department. Come carry me enter this thing, clean my body. They go tell me one word, say, if you want go peace, make I call them. If you want go bath, make I call them. I said, na area ma be Jimmy, and I saw them they carry. If you want go peace, I will call them. Me no know what they do. For Italy, as I deliver, I dey pack am. If I dey go hospital, I dey buy with sleepy gun. If you na baby boy, I want buy, I go buy a sky blue color for sleepy gun, brand new one. Will be say as I dey deliver that baby, now go wear for hospital. I will buy brand new one. I go buy another color where I go wear that time. But if I born baby finish, like that one they wear. If you na baby girl, I go I buy. Oh, mommy, I did call you about here. Now let go on half for buy pick because now let go be get where I born here. Why the rest like 3 boys? So now so I say if I born for Italy, where they don't collect the picking, only me go enter the bedroom. I go bath, wear my new sleepy gown. I call raw powder, you more powder for neck. I call talk. But this one now, they say if I want bath, make I call them. If I want peace, make I call them. Now I say okay, or maybe that's why they care for Germany. Me no say. The sergeant hearing me be say all the sergeant don't throw away finish on my body. I don't know. First day, as I want peace now, I follow the instruction. I press bell, they come. I say I want to peace. They take me there, I peace. As I want, they come they clean my body for where I lie down. Now I say no, one bath. They say no, make I call them. After 4 days, they never discharge me. For Italy, if you born, maximum 3 days. If you fall for Sunday, if you don't register for that first time, but they go discharge you, you go. Except say you do cesarean and then also okay, maybe you stay to so day. But if you not normal 3 days, you don't go home for the rest when I born. But yeah, I don't spend 4 good days. They not discharge me. They go come, they go shock my body, and then I don't get power. I don't get power. Truth, I don't get that. I don't get strength. I'll call and say, I don't have power. I don't have strength. Please, I need a medicine that will make me get power. I go see talk, I need drip that will make me get power. I say, gele, I was losing it. So, not being one day rich, that's okay. I'm not going to call them again, make I go peace by myself. After 4 days, behold, as I get up from my bed, I just get up for bed where I did. Put my 2 legs for ground where I can. Now, I fall for ground. Now I faint. I say I faint, God revive me back. I faint, I see the other life of the world. As I see I'm under feeling, God revive me back. Because I'm in love with 3 children plus the baby 4 children. Now I saw God revive me back. As I get up, say, what did they happen to me where I faint? The next year, I not get up. I say I not get up. Not because I not fit get up, I say I not get up, but may they come meet me for ground, may they for do the necessary to make me all right. Because when I was coming to this hospital, I will come with taxi. Now, I'm not okay. Now, I have 3 children at home, plus this must be where I born for here to take care of. So, I cannot leave this office when they not will put waiting come up for my body back. Because not be the first time when they bear baby. So, I can't sit there ground there with. I can't press there, that hospital bed. They come meet me. See, they see me for ground because they don't already know what happened to me. Because all the water we got, they tell people for woman, but all the fuel, it don't finish when I born. Because of that tablet that they help me. So now the robot call other doctors come. Wait till I say I don't go peace. So now I just faint. They say make I not get up, make I wait. From there, one nurse where God will bless. She's from Tunisia. From Tunisia before Morocco. Now she be, but she fair. I don't know say na African woman self. Now she can't do duty that day. I say, look, I say, waiting they happen. Now they come, nah. They don't take Tell they say enough blood not dey. Now make me I not get straight, I not affect. The next thing this girl say, oh, make I don't worry. He say you are a strong woman, you will make it. Don't worry. We are Africans. We are Africans. We are a strong woman. She gonna encourage me. I say, are you African? I say, yes, I'm from Tunisia. I say, okay, thank you. Say, as far as I'm the doctor here, today till tomorrow 8 o'clock, I will make everything possible for you to be okay because you are my sister. Now here, Tunisia, no be Senegal, no be Gambia. Like Oyibo people will be say they near Oyibo, but she's from Africa. She said, you are my sister. I'm going to do anything possible for you to be strong and okay. I said, thank you. Now they enter their bank. They enter their bank. They go look blood. We match my own. As they enter their bank, they go look blood. We match my own. After 30 minutes, she come with me say, Vera, you will be okay very soon. We have seen your match in our bank. We will give you 1 pass of blood. If it's not enough, I will give you more until you are okay. I said, thank you. I did that. I saw they bring that pass, 1 pass of blood come. They fix that for me. Before as me and you, they talk 5 minutes, my body don't take care. As I take and finish, my belly I say, what did happen? Now the woman come. He said the blood don't finish. Okay. He said, do you feel any contraction? I said, yeah. I said, my tummy was shaky. He said, perfect. He said, perfect. That is the blood matched with my own. He said, make I not worry. Before she come out again, she come test again. He said, you are okay. The next morning, I said, okay, make I try again because I must be okay before I leave this hospital. Because I was alone with 3 children plus this I go before. I don't want to get any problem. I don't want, because if you not talk hospital, they not gonna know what they do you. You go talk every time you don't born. You see say you don't before not be your first pikin. Tell them what you are passing through. At that time they never discharge you. They there to take care of you. They there to do everything for you. Not go for victim. You understand? So that's why I say I will never leave you until you guys bless me. The next day I say make I go peace. I get up, back I peace. I bath, I come out. Glory be to God. Now, so I can't take my body. He not finished there, oh. He not finished there. Later, after 3 days, they can't discharge me, which is I can't spend extra 7 good days in the hospital. And then discharge me, my children, they are saying, person say when they follow me to car, they don't for no person to food when I will prepare for freezer, and they don't misuse them. My neighbor, when he leave the boat, everything, no problem. My head, they life. Now I reach us. Now leave me nobody. That I said, oh, ego is too small. Ego was just 9 years old. And then because Belle did 6 months when I come. Now I say make a bath baby a girl. I don't put water for ground, put with carry sponge. I said the bath pikin. They told me. I say go. My eyes turning me. I'm feeling dizzy. Collect this baby from me. Collect the baby. He put her for bed. The next thing. This my last born. I experienced all the parable where beneath people they talk with me, mama I go no before. That is why I don't joke with this my last born. Even for school, I they cry, they beg, they say I beg, no nothing can easy. If not here there, near go cut away me here. My eye begin to turn. I want faint, I want buy. I carried my hair come out from who the members enter. No way. I carried milk. Make I take get to make I no way. The next thing I carry phone, I call ambulance. They discharge me like yesterday. The next day, night problem start again. I call ambulance. Say, please, it's me. The lady you guys discharged yesterday. I mentioned my name. I mentioned my address. I say, I'm dying. Please, you guys should come. And I saw ambulance. They carry the baby, go. Hospital again. The police when they can't give me, they not collect the baby again. They say because the baby it don't become infant, they don't go add that to a new baby again. They don't really discharge her. Me can't date my baby for bed there. They can't begin to treat me again. Until they find and then they can't involve government for my matter. They can't tell government. Say this woman, they need to give me somebody who will take care of me for a very long time. That the blood that my enemy lost is too much. I'm talking about 9 years ago. So they should give me somebody now from hospital. As they discharge me, they give me another midwife when they take care of me for 3 months. Government call they pay. Anywhere where they go, now this woman, they carry me with car, they go. If they cook for me, they cook for my children for a good 3 months. They can't give me special medicine when I go to drink. Because this blood, we got to create body, not be only that blood though. Inside blood, now we get iron. Inside blood, now we get white blood. So that one, when it come out, a minute it come out from my body, it can't become problem. Even when the blood comes to the okay, I call it short of iron. And iron they cause me carry out here, I don't know. But the symptom of say you lose iron for body, your hair go to scratch you, here go to scratch you, go to scratch you, here go to scratch you, your toes, your feet go to scratch you. That is symptom of losing iron in your body. Iron is very important because as the consistency say iron not complete again. They say for woman supposed to get 12.5 iron for body, but me can't get 11.5 at them. They can't prescribe medicine for me when I go to drink. I call the drink come on. It no still balance. If you don't be Panadol, not feel better Panadol. They can't introduce natural remedy for me when I go to eat with fruit, small, before finally my iron come balance. So I beg mothers. Sometimes we will say doctor no sabi work. Not be say doctor no sabi work. Sometimes we the day close. Ma good ma only my one. We know one way we dey talk. We dey do the shasha mama. I beg. If you know dey fair, we go bump pikin. Talk. If you talk, you hold them for neck. Then go treat you. You see that thing what they do to me. Where that wicked person where I meet neglect me. Where I suppose not do this hurt again. Thank you, mom. God bless you, mom. Lord. This another woman come again. See my bed. See her bed. They put her there now. We both a German woman. Her belly also is big. They still give her that 10 tablet where they give me 1, 2, 3. You know something they do to that woman, and then they give her the third one. They give her. As they give her the third one, they can't give her. They can't give her that drip. The drip very small, like small bottle. Very small bottle, like Locozet bottle. They can't give that woman the drip instantly. As they give the woman. Titi wa tele ba Titi we dia. Titi walking. Hello? Titi walking. Titi walking. Titi walking. Titi me wa kan ka we na wa je bo ke bu ya na. Na wa je bo take bi na social media na. Ma wa je bo say. Isele better je boss better Titi. Ma wa je bo say na o we ke no je bo a. I think I see this man. I don't see liver for waste. We are not there line. Una see na block am can una number take call me. Me with Ajebo on the play. We not be friend. Ajebo never do one thing when they make a celebrate. Titi make you leave me alone. You see something that they do me know they attack my body. Don't call me again. You say you go buy me, you give me 3 years, you go buy me. Titi, let me see how you have the monopoly of death in my life. Titi, I beg, carry a while and go. Carry a while and go, Titi, I beg. I tell God bless you. You still say that me they do. Not be me, na man where you do the matter, na you they do not my mind go. No. Titi, I beg go, because not today you and your friend they fight. Now you thought that they say now you push you for ground where they tell her when I scream your life. Say now it takes out for your life. What you call concern me got Titi. Titi I beg leave me. And then my own my people don't come and say make I do what I be they do. Now they do for years, so I'm not there for your side guy anymore. Fight for who you want fight for. I hope you get victory in Jesus' name. So as that lady now, they give her the 3 tablet finish. Immediately they give her that small drip. As they give her, they don't leave her for that bed again. They just carry her go inside. In no reach 30 minutes, that girl don't born. They can't drop her. Now see, that is the part of the races where they talk for hospital. So now only you wait before in and now you go to advocate for yourself. No quiet. Even though you be black. Thank you, mommy. Ada, God bless. Even though you be black, nice insurance go pay for your delivery service. Any medication they give you for hospital, as far as you get AOCA or you get Tessera di Sanitaria for Italy, government will pay for your this thing. Who know they work for Italy? Na embassy they pay for their treatment. Who they work? Na this thing, it tax now they pay. Thank you, mommy. Daddy, God bless you. So I beg, mother out there, I beg una, if una get belle, make una dey vigilant. Make una dey, if una go born, make una put eye down. I beg, many things they cause some, many things they cause. Now two experience I get. Like even my first daughter, the same thing for Italy happened, but that one a similar thing. They say, as I born, make they cut tissue to clean my body, wipe my body before they will make I wear this thing. They go cut small tissue for me till they wipe my body. Not be me wipe am on a demo. The thing go fell inside my womb. The tissue, it too small, it go fell inside. They not fit bring and come out. And that one they lead to operation before. When I say they'll say woman born with normal, and later they come go operate am. Like that catch the cost. But because God is in me, I shall still get up say I won't go peace make I bath. I just dey bedroom like this. That's why I fall. I still fall, I face all my body. When I receive tissue, I say, God. After I don't labor for 2-3 days, they born. Therefore, can't do me operation because of tissue where these people forget for my body. Now see, many things they have even operation. People, then they buy anyhow. I beg, mothers, talk. Make una know the close mouth. Now when you talk, now you go survive. If you can say, I know sabi speak language, not lie. No hospital where they only speak English. Italo say where they will say, you know, parle inglese, then they speak. Their female they speak. Their midwife they speak. Please. So if this our sister now they say he put to bed, he lost many things. The same thing happened. But look at me today. I don't recover full time. Now my sister they see me say natural remedy I always did take. When my midwife teach me to regain. Last my mother for Holland. My mother for Holland, which is Madam Good, my mother, my friend. If she can describe another one for me, say make I buy zucchini, broccoli, what they call spinach, all those things. Say they make iron, they come back sharp. Say make I not they buy tablet again. Now when I follow her instruction, I go they buy all those things every time. If you want to follow me vividly, when I see say that if I can cook broccoli, Pinocchio, celery, all those things I can't ignore. You know go down. I will eat some. I can't regain them back. Now I'm okay now. I'm sound and healthy. You can see. Please, mothers, I beg you out there. I beg you out there. Do talk. Don't shine. Do talk. Any country where you dey. And we now say see. I didn't say this our sister now. She talk. Say see how they feel. Instantly they go give her blood. There's sometimes if you go meet some doctor will be say not still good, he go ignore you. But anyway, may I so rest in perfect peace. So that is just this little teaching I want to teach you guys today.